viewers, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial on this unit that I have right now, and since this unit is gonna be 34 inches, so this is gonna be a very long synthetic unit. I am gonna be showing you how to install this from start to finish. If you haven't already, or if this is your first time on my video, my name is Keymee K. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell. That way you are always notified whenever I do upload. So yeah, let's go ahead and install this long unit together, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this review. So I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on this wig from Zury Sis. It is their Beyond Your Imagination. I did get BYD Lace Age Crimp 34 inch, and then I did get the color 1B. So I asked y'all about this wig a long time ago if y'all wanted me to review it. I bought it, I just never reviewed it, so we are going to be doing it today. So there is the stock card up close. So you can use heat up to 400 degrees on this unit. It does have a 5-inch lace part, it says, and then a lace is supposed to be HD, and then it is 34 inches, and then that is going to be the back of the stock card, just some hair care instructions. So this is how the unit is looking. The waves are very pretty, and the hair does feel like a natural yaki. So I do love the texture on this unit. It does feel very pretty, and it doesn't have like a shine. It has a shine, but it's like more of a natural shine, and then when you run your hands through it, it does feel very silky. So here we are starting out. So this is going to be your lace. The lace does feel like it's going to be like a light brown lace, and it does say that this lace is HD. They do give you baby hairs, so you do have 2 combs on the top, and then you are going to have a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this unit on first to see what it is giving. So this is how the unit is going to look off the bat. It is very pretty. It looks very pretty. The lace, it doesn't go too much ear to ear on me, and then this is the other side. It kind of like barely makes the cut. So then here is your baby hairs. The baby hairs do look good as far as right here. So yeah, the baby hairs, they do look good. And then that is going to be your parting space. And then this unit, it does lay flat, so I do like that about this unit. So this is what it looks like, which it is super pretty. So with this unit, it does fit snug. It fits just right for my head. So if you have a medium head, this is gonna fit you like to the T. If you have a larger head, it's gonna be a little bit tight. Hopefully after we cut the lace, it'll kind of loosen up just a little bit. But this is what this unit is looking like. Super gorgeous. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace and see how it looks before I do anything else to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Black Radiance. I'm gonna take the Sculpt shade right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the bottom of the lace where the part is at. Go ahead and do that now, so I don't have to do that when I put that wig back on. And I'm just gonna use my Got to Be Glued in my black bottle to go ahead and slick those baby hairs down. I'm using some of mine as well as the ones that came on this wig. I went back in with my Sculpt shade, and I'm gonna put that right there along that part. And then along the hairline as well. Okay. Okay, so on to the hair. Y'all know I love putting gel in my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and take some mousse. I'm gonna run some mousse through the hair just to go ahead and get it really wet and nice looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some olive oil gel. That is what it looks like, the Eco Styler gel, and I am going to put that on this side over here where we put that mousse at. I do put it in with the gel, and then I do take my brush and just brush it through so that I do get it all over. And that looks so good, so freaking good, and it looks like human hair. It looks so freaking shiny and pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. And for the part, I kind of feel like it's a little bit too close and I did not pluck it. So I am gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me. This is the color Cafe. I always use this color. I'm going to use this in the part just to kind of open it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna put my Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the shade 362 Truffle. I'm gonna put that on top. Then I'm just gonna go back in with some mousse on top just to clean up that powder so it doesn't have that powder look. And then I'm gonna take my hot comb and like right there, it kind of just to press that down because it's kind of not flat as it should be. Okay, so this is how it is looking. I'm gonna kind of let the gel dry up a little bit, then I'll come tell y'all my thoughts on this unit. So I will be okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit. So this is gonna be the Zury Sis CRIMP 34-inch. So this unit, you already gonna know off the bat, it's gonna be 34 inches. So it is long. The ends, they did dry up a little bit. They did go ahead and get a little bit more frizzed out. They look the same as before before I put the gel and stuff on there. They did go ahead and get a little bit frizzed out. But then wearing this unit, it doesn't tangle too easily as you think it would because it is a long unit. So I've been like switching it around and stuff, and you can run your hands through it, but if you don't mess with it, it's not like it's tangling up on you. So there are some spots where you can't go through it, like right now, and then there's other spots where it is very easy. So it's not tangling up as bad as I thought it was going to be. The waves are very pretty. I do love that. So it does give you like bundles kind of look. There's not like a shine to it. It looks very natural, so I do love that about it. My only con is going to be the parting space. So the parting space, it does look a little bit kind of lumpy, so I did use my hot comb to go ahead and flatten it down a little bit. And then right here, the way they have the tracks going, this piece right here, it keeps going into my eye, which I don't really like that. So I keep playing with it, but that's like just little cons here and there. I did not get any shedding with this unit. Of course, this unit is very long once again, so it is going to shed, but I didn't get any shedding with this unit, and then I got a little bit of tangling, and that is about it for this unit. I think it is very pretty. I think it is a very pretty unit. I wouldn't wear this like going out to the club or anywhere. Probably to go sit down and eat or to look nice, you know, not to be wearing this out because the ends, they are going to get a little frizzy and tangle up. But other than that, this is a gorgeous gorgeous unit, and it looks long and it is full, and it looks very, very nice. So I really do like it. And then again, it has the natural yaki kind of texture, so it doesn't have that baby doll feel. It looks nice again. But yeah, so this is the final look of this unit. Very pretty. It is kind of wet, like right here towards the front, and then back here it is kind of dry. So you can see how it looks wet versus dry. It still looks nice, and I freaking love it. I think it is very pretty. I would just kind of probably frame this piece right here so that it wouldn't keep going into my eye and making my eyelash go down, okay? But that is going to be it for this unit. I will leave a link down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, leave those down below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video.